Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we open colors. Baby blue color. The next one is forest green color. Now you open raw silk color. And the next one is light violet color. Exactly. Emerald green color. Now we open exactly yellow green color. Geranium color. Stay with us. Kids, now you open the color of black. Yellow color. The next one is scarlet color. And now we open the color of pale blue light color. And the last one is rose big color. Geranium color. Today we're writing alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're writing the alphabet of A. B. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. Baby blue color. Now we're using the color of baby blue color. H. H for hand. I. The next one is J. Exactly. K for kite. K. L for lemon. L for lion. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. Stay with us. Now we're writing the alphabet of N. The next one is O. Scarlet color. Writing the alphabet of O. O for orange. P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. And the next one is C. U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.